Izindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukele nazi ezinohlonze bemini nje.
So for this, Chairperson, I do apologize to you and everybody profusely, but this was my fault. I will not run from this.
Umholi we-National Coloured Congress ophinde abe yilungu lePhalamende uFadile Adams uphewa ngemibuzo namhlanje phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga. Phambilini ubufakazi bakhe buke baphazamiseka njengoba ekhale ngokuthi i-laptop yakhe ibinenkinga. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa osebhalele iPhalamende ephikisa isincomo segama lika-Advocate Thandazani Madonsela nophakanyiswe njengozohola ubufakazi bekomiti section 89 elizocubungula ngenqubo yokuchithwa kwakhe esikhundleni ngodaba lweplazi lakhe iPhalaphala.
Bathi bebephethe into engathi u-anyanisi. Khona into abayidlile njengo-anyanisi. Manje asazi u-anyanisi ubunjani abawudlile emva kwalokho babafethe.
Amaphoyisa estation sakwambunambe esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal sevule uphenyo ngokushona kwezingane ezincane ezimbili okuneyintsolo zokuthi kungenzeka ukuba zidle okuthile okunobuthi. Roma Sibheka kwezemidlalo wayisihlabani se-Arsenal neqembu lesizwe laseFrance uPatrick Vieira useqokwe njengomqeqeshi omusha weSenegal nokubhekwa elikhulu kuye ngokuthi uzokwazi ukubuyisa umgqiqo weLions of Teranga engenzanga kahle kumqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezikunqa phambili kanti futhi ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula. Mbukeli asingabe sisapholisa amaseko ake singere kuzo ezihamba phambili nini nje. Umholi we-National Coloured Congress ophinde abe yilungu lePhalamende uFadile Adams uphewa ngemibuzo namhlanje phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga. Phambilini ubufakazi bakhe kule khomishana buke baphazamiseka njengoba ekhale ngokuthi i-laptop yakhe ibinenkinga.
Umholi we-National Coloured Congress ophinde abe yilungu leShamthet Fadile Adams uyena owethula ubufakazi kukhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje. Ikhomishana imbeka amabala njengoba ikholelwe ekutheni kuke kwaba nezenzo zakhe ezikhomba ungayihloniphi.
So what I'm saying, Chairperson, this is actually worse than an oversight on my part. It is, but I did not intend to mislead you. I did not, and I understand how bad it looks. And I even understand if you're sitting there, Commissioner Kumalo, thinking that I'm being disrespectful to this commission. But I promise you, Chairperson, as my mother is watching, that definitely was not the case.
Yize bebona lapho akangenzanga kahle khona uAdams, usihlalo wekhomishana ubengaculiseki ngezathu zakhe zokungalandeli imithetho yekhomishana.
So for this, Chairperson, I do apologize to you and everybody profusely, but this was my fault. I will not run from this.
You are ahead of me. My question is a simple one. My question is a simple one. It is this. When you said on 11 August 2026, you received communication, that is the email communication of October 2025. You saw it for the first time 3 months ago. That is 3 months now in 2026. That was untruthful.
Isithangami sekhomishana siyaqhubeka.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa osebhalele iPhalamende ephikisa isincomo segama lika-Advocate Thandazani Madonsela nophakanyiswe njengozohola ubufakazi bekomiti section 89 elizocubungula ngenqubo yokuchithwa kwakhe esikhundleni ngodaba lweplazi lakhe iPhalaphala. Njengamanje ke sixhumana nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uBulelani Philip njengoba ke amalungu ekomiti eqhuba uhlelo lwawo lomhlangano ke wokuzilungiselela. Bulelani, asikubingelele sikwamukela ezindabeni emini besacela nje usichazele ngokuyikona okuqhubekayo kulomhlangano wekomiti section 89. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi udaba lwegama laloyo okufanele kahola ubufakazi kulo ke ngokunye okuseyithebeni okubhungwa kakho.
Manibulise kwemsasazi nakubabukeli ekhaya. Njengoba sowutshilo kwintshayelelo yakho le komiti namhlanje ibiza kuqwalasela ke mhlawumbi kuba njengoba beke kwavela izikhalazo ngaphambili malunga negama lika-Advocate Thandazani Madonsela mhlawumbi yona ingaqhubeka mhlawumbi ibe nguye ozawukhokela le komiti kusini na. Kodwa ke mna into ethe yavela phezolo njengokubana ke amagqwetha lapha eParlamente eyivelise namhlanje eyokubana ke umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ubhalele le komiti esithi ke yena akahambisani neligama liphakanyiswe okanye kugqitywe ngalo ile komiti uadvocate Thandanani Madonsela. Ke zimbini izizathu azenazo ngaphambili. Uthi uadvocate Madonsela ngaphambili ebecebisa umbutho we-ANC malunga nendlela mhlawumbi yomthetho emayilandelwe mhlawumbi kubana ke yena angaziphendulela njani kule nkqubo yaseParlamente. Uthi ke phantsi kwalo nkqubo akayazi loluphi ulwazi alufumeleyo nokuba mhlawumbi angalisebenza mhlawumbi ngexesha ekhokela le komiti. Esithi ke mhlawumbi na ngokwemigaqo yamagqwetha igqwetha ke ebelithe la mela umntu ngaphambili alikwazi liphinde lichophele ityala elifana nelo. Okwesibini ke uthi njengokubana ke yena engumongameli ngaphambili wakhe wamgxotha uadvocate Madonsela phantsi kubantu abasebenza kwi-Judicial Service Commission abatyunjwe ngumongameli. Uthi ke mhlawumbi akayazi uba mhlawumbi njengoba ke uadvocate Madonsela wamgxotha mhlawumbi angasebenzisa le nkqubo yaseParlamente ukuba azibuyisele. So zezo zizathu zimbini ezibekwe ngumongameli. Ikomiti yona ke igqibe kwelithi mhlawumbi mayifumane ingcebiso yomthetho yokubana mhlawumbi ngeyiphi indlela emayilandele ukubheka phambili nanjengoko le leta kamongameli ifike izolo ngokuba namhlanje bebengekabinalo ixesha eloneleyo lokuba bayiphonononge le mbalelwano kamongameli. So amaqela amaninzi ke ayixhasile lo mbono yokubana ke le komiti mayifumane ingcebiso yomthetho.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uBulelani Philip. Kanti masihlabela phambili uphiko olushushisa amacala omphakathi NPA seliqinisekisile ukuthi lizama ukuthola usuku oluseduze kuleli sonto ukuze lihoxise ngokusemthethweni amacala enkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa abhekene nenhloko yezomhlolo emaphoyiseni uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo kanye nabayisikhombisa.
As you all know, the matter was already in the process of being withdrawn, as the NDPP had already instructed that the matters be withdrawn. It was just a matter of formalizing this issue by going to court and withdraw it officially in court, because the instruction that was given about 2-3 weeks ago, and then now the formalities are about to happen. But what is happening at the moment is that our lawyers are trying to, or the IDEC people are trying to get the lawyers of the affected people to agree to an earlier date.
Amacala amabili abhekene ke nosayitsheni osamisiwe emsebenzini ufana inkosi ahlanganisiwe ahlehliselwe kumhla ziyi-15 kumandulo yinkantolo yemantshi yasePitoli.
Usayitsheni osamisiwe emsebenzini ufana inkosi uvele kafushane enkantolo yamantshi ePitoli. Umbuso ke ucela ukuba leli cala lihlehliswe. Ummeli wakhe naye uvumelene nesicelo sombuso wathi naye usafuna ukuzilungiselela wacela nesikhathi sokuba axoxisane nekhasimende lakhe.
I can confirm that as per arrangement with the state, the matter may be postponed to the 15th of September for disclosure. However, Worship, I just have a request that I wish to put on record. I request that the disclosure be furnished, if possible, Worship, before the 15th. Reason being, Worship, I need time to consult with my client in prison. And if disclosure is furnished well before time or within a reasonable period of time, it will enable me to consult to ensure that upon the 15th of September, I am ready to indicate to this court whether I'm fully instructed for trial or not.
Unkosi usagcinwe esitokisini uzovela enkantolo mhla ziyi-15 kumandulo walonyaka.
Sisekuzwe ezezinkantolo ijaji ecaleni lokubulawa kukaWarwick Stock nowaziwa ngoDJ Waras sexwayisa umangalelwa uVictor Majolo ukuba alungise izinkinga zakhe mayelana nabameli njengoba kuphoqele ukuba sihlehle isigaba sokulungiselela ukuqula kwecala.
His matter then is postponed to the 18th of September 2026. uMajola utshele inkantolo ukuthi ubhekene nezinkinga zemali futhi akasakwazi ukukhokhela ummeli wakhe. Ijaji uWilliam Karamle xwayise uMajola ngokuthi lokhu kungukugcina inkantolo ivumela ukuhlehliswa kwecala.
This is a final postponement in respect of his legal representation of the current attorneys representing him.
Ijaji liphinde layalela uMajola ukuthi uma engakwazi ukukhokhela ummeli wakhe ngaphambi kokuba abuyele enkantolo kufanele azise inkantolo enze amalungiselelo okuthola omunye ummeli.
The court did on the last occasion request him to quote unquote get his house in order with regard to legal representation.
uMajola nguyena kuphela umangalelwa osele kuleli cala kulandela ukugwetshwa nokutholwa enecala kuka Armando Pakula waseMozambique owavuma ukuthi wabulala uStock. Umbuso uthi uphenyo kanye nokushushiswa kwabanye abasolwa kusaqhubeka.
Amaphoyisa estation sokwambonambi kwaZulu-Natal asevule uphenyo ngokushona kwezingane ezincane ezimbili okuneyintsolo zokuthi kungenzeka ukuthi zidle okuthile okunobuthi.
Umndeni wakwaMswele Bhubhubhu Reservoir usemanzini ngemuva kokudlula emhlabeni kwezingane. Lo mndeni uthi lezi ngane zabe zidlala khona egcekeni ngomgqibelo ngenkathi bezwa kukhona ekhalayo. Ugogo wazo uNtombenhle Msweli ubengaduduzeki echaza ngobuhlungu ababhekana nabo ngenkathi bezifica lezi ngane. Uthi bathola uSinothando neminyaka emine kanye noEmihle oneminyaka emithathu bephuma amagwebu ngomlomo bephelelwa nangamandla. Imizamo yokubaphuthumisa emtholampilo yaphunza ngoba bahlonzwa njengabadlule emhlabeni uma befika khona.
Enza amagwinya ngase ngibabiza ukuthi sizodla ke sadla saqeda nje somndeni siphelele. Kwakuyimina nabo nje abantwana abawu4 bese kuba awoma baba abawu2 kube yimina. Sadla ke saqeda ngase ngithi hayi hamba nodlala ke ngoba sendlile.
Kunengane ngase bathi bebephethe into engathi uanyanisi. Khona into abayidlile njengoanyanisi. Manje asazi uanyanisi ubunjani abawudlile emva kwalokho babafeyita.
Iziphathimandla kule ndawo zihambele lo mndeni ukuzodlulisa amazwi enduduzo nokuweseka ngalesikhathi. Lesigameko esishaqisayo sishiye umphakathi ukhathazekile njengoba kusolwa ukuthi zibulawe ubuthi izingane.
Ngiyafisa ukusho ukuthi uMasipala waseMfolozi sisiqalile nje sathi ke njengoba sifika la besihamba nama social work ukuthi akwazi ukuthi alekelele abomndeni kulesi simo ababhekene naso.
Bukele sathi qo eyitolo kanti ke siyabuya nezinye izindaba ngemva kwekhefu nayindawo. Bukele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena sikukhumbuza ukuthi le indaba zatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuze uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ehleze Pambridge namhlanje ibiza ufakazi omusha nokunguthisha wayefundisa uJaden Lee Meek ulimi lwesibhunu. Utshela ke inkantolo ukuthi wambona uMeek esikoleni ngaphambi kokuba kuzwakala ukuthi ke usenyamalele nokwatholakala ke isidumbu sakhe eFleurhof.
Namhlanje umbuso ubize ufakazi omusha nokunguthisha wolwimi lwesibhunu nothi wambona uJaden Lee Meek ngosuku olwandulela ukubika kwakhe kokuthunyamale. Uthisha uthi wambona njengokujwayelekile ngoba wayemfundisa iAfrikaans.
In the morning I did see him in class for the register period where we usually take and sign the register. And also just before break, I saw him and had him for the Afrikaans lesson.
Uthisha uphinde wachaza ngomfaniswano wesikole nezinsuku okufanele bawugqoke ngazo kodwa wakuveza ukuthi abanye abafundi bagqoka ngendlela yabo.
No, Hence I said it is an option for them to wear their tracksuits because I felt they feel more comfortable wearing tracksuits every day, but we always force and advise them not to. Yeah, because they are kids and they just decide to do what they want to do. Yes. But he was never in trouble for that. Hence I'm saying the only time I saw him wearing grey pants was the first week of school.
Icala liyaqhubeka kepha uMike usamile kwelokuthi umsulwa kuleli cala.
Kuleli qophelo ake sibheke enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehlezi lisikisike Eastern Cape lapho kuqhubeka khona icala eliphathelene nokubulawa kwabantu abayi-18 esigodini saseNgobozane. Njengamanje ke sixhumana ke nentatheli ye-SABC uFundiswa Mhlekude olandela ke leli cala. Fundiswa, asikubingelele sikwamukela izolo umzukisi Ndamase obeseqalile ke okuhloma ngemibuzo aphiwe Ndende kuleli cala. Sicela nje usilandise kafushane ngosekuqhubekile namhlanje kulona leli cala.
Enkosi Dawuda, ngenene umzukisi Ndamase ongummangalelo wokuqala okwatyholwa ngokuba ngungqondo ekubulaweni kwabantu abali-18 eNgobozana uyiqoshelisile ke laa nkqubo yakhe yokufaka imibuzo ummangalelwa wesibini ongu-Aphiwe Ndende. Uthe ke apha ekuthetheni kwavela nento yokuba njengoba uNdende wayebekwe ngummangalelwa wesihlanu uSongezo Vuma eMount Ayleaf, wayiphikisa loo nto wathi zange abekwe eMount Ayleaf, wabekwa eMount Frere. Kukhona ukubhidana ke kwaloo magama njengoba usiva yiMount Frere neMount Ayleaf, kodwa ke wathi uNdende uzawuxelela inkundla, uNdamase wathi uzawuxelela inkundla ukuba zange ayiphikise uNdende into yokuba wabekwa eMount Ayleaf xa umnumzana uKennel Kufa wayesenza ubungqina bakhe enkundleni. Uthe ke xa iphendula loo nto uNdende uze uthi ke xa uxelela inkundla ukuba mna zange ndiyiphikise loo nto useyixelela inkundla ukuba wababulalela ntoni abamelwane bakho. Uye wayikhanyela ke loo nto uNdamase sithi zange abulale abamelwane bakhe yena kwaye akayazi ukuba uyithatha phi uNdende. Sibona ke ngokummangalelwa wesithathu yena onguSiphoso Xolo Myekethe naye enika ubungqina efakwa imibuzo okanye ecross examinwa ligqwetha lakhe elinguFezile Nqukumeshe. Uchaza ukuba bazana njani nommangalelwa wokuqala ongumzukisi Ndamase umazi ukususela kwiminyaka yo-1996 nalapho ke athi baye badibana ngo-2010 kwintolongo yaseLusikisiki, baphinde badibana nango-2022 kwintolongo yaseMthatha. Uthi ke wathi selephumile entolongweni wafowunelwa ngumnumzana uNdamase emxelela ngokudutyulwa komfana wakwabo obizwa ngokuba nguBhongo, esithi ke urhanela ukuba badutyulwe ngabafana baseGqubeni. Wamxelela ukuba kuzawufika ummangalelwa wesihlanu onguSongezo Vuma ukuze bahambe bawukhangela aba bafana baseGqubeni. Siphuma nje ke enkundleni emva kwale ntsimbi yokuqala, inkundla isathathe ikhefu kodwa izawuphinde ibuyele emva kwecala emva kwentsimbi yokuqala. Dawuda.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli yena ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uFundiswa Mhlekude esibekela bukhoma eselisikisiki esifundazweni iEastern Cape. Njengoba iPhalamende lisingethe isithangamiso sokubhekana nesihlava sodlame lwamaqembu emgulukudu, izakhamuzi zase-Western Cape ezikhahlamezekile ngezinga lobugebengu ziphumele kobala zichaza ngosizo lwazo lwansuku zonke.
uJane Douglas wase-Atlantis uselahlekelwe amadodana amabili ngenxa yodlame lwamaqembu emgulukudu. Ulandise amalungu ePhalamende ngobunzima asebhekane nabo ezama ukuthola ubulungiswa.
And as a mother, lost 2 children, 2 sons in gun violence, gang violence, it is so hard for a parent to deal with. And with the police system in Atlantis, is it so difficult for a parent to deal with? Because when you go to an investigator, if you go to the police, nothing happened.
If I look at the violence in our community, our people not standing in unity, stray bullets flying, our young people dying, mothers at the children's funeral crying. Lord, what are you trying to say? Is this a way to make your people obey? Should I be praying for peace? Or is this a lesson that you want to teach?
Izakhamuzi zithi izikhalo zazo kumele zifinyelele ePhalamende kwazise yilona elithatha izinqumo mayelana nokuphepha kanye nezinsiza zamaphoyisa.
We're not standing here to criticize, but these things needs to be spoken and it needs to be addressed and it needs to be put to Parliament, because in Parliament, this is where the power lies. I mean, Prof has said that. This is where the power lies.
Operation Prosper may create some breathing room. It might be an opportunity for a little bit of breathing room. For a family that lives in the middle of a shooting war, even a short period of calm can matter.
Isithangami siyaqhubeka.
Abafundi benyuvesi Cape Peninsula sebebekelwe umnqamula juqu wehora lesine ntambama namhlanje ukuthi baphume baphele emagcekeni esikhungo. Kusukeke izinxushunxushu kule nyuvesi njengoba ke sekucekelwe phansi nempahla.
Le nyuvesi ibike ukuthi kube nomlilo esakhiweni Old Education kwesinye sezikhungo sayi Bellville izolokusihla. Iziphathimandla zale nyuvesi sichaze ukuthi kungani sifinyelele kulesinqumo sokuthi abafundi bephume bephele kungakashayi ihora lesine namhlanje.
This decision was taken after a building was set alight on the Bellville campus yesterday, which posed a significant risk. We also had incidents previously of staff and students being rushed to hospital with critical injuries. At this stage, the university is in its highest crisis alert level, and to avoid a potential loss of life, this decision was taken.
Abanye babafundi bakhala ngokuthi abazi ukuthi bazophuma bebhekephi njengoba bengenamali yokugoduka.
Basinike notice a day before and asinayo nemali, as you know, kumaphakathi nenyanga. So asazi nokuthi sizoya kuphi manje sicinga abantu lapho ngabeka khona ikhwama zakho.
And what has transpired throughout the week has been like very bad, and I think the management made the right decision by sending us all home because it could have become worse.
I'm leaving because they told me to leave my res, and I understand where the students are coming from because I will also be affected next year and many others, and some people aren't in the same situation that I am because I may be fine, but at the same time I do not know.
Njengoba kumiswa ukufunda nabafundi bathunyelwe emakhaya, ikomiti lemfundo ephakeme selinikwe izinsuku eziyisikhombisa ukuphendula kuloluhlu lesikhalo zabafundi.
Mbokele sathi qu eyitolo kanti uma sibuya sizobe sikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu wena ungayindawo. Mbukeli usale kahle.